All right, I know what you guys are thinking. Enda, in the last video, you explained to us about the scientific method and how to apply it in our everyday lives. What else do I need to know about science? We're here to answer that today. We're going to answer what science is, why is it so important, what are the main aspects of science, the four main branches, and how do I get involved in it if I want to get involved in it. But first, I'm going to need you guys to do me a favor, and I'm going to need you to like and subscribe to this video. Let me know you're enjoying the content. I know you're watching it. I just want to see a little bit of love from y'all. Michael, back in the classroom, giggling to yourself. I'm talking to you. What is science? By definition, science is the pursuit and application of knowledge. And think you can do anything that you can think of. Think of something as small as grass, dirt, and bugs, or as vast as our wide open world and oceans or our outer space. Any sort of information that you want to acquire can be learned through science. And once you understand and pursue and maintain and gain this knowledge, you can then begin to apply it, hopefully in pursuit of new information. And any science that you're willing to research can be broken down into four main categories: earth science, biology, chemistry, my personal favorite, and physics. The first one we'll start off with is earth science, or the study of our home planet. Unless you're an alien, if you're an alien, let me know in the comments below. Say, I'm an alien. I have some questions for you. But back on track, earth science. This is the study of our physical earth and the atmosphere that surrounds us. Think the different clouds that we see, think the different mountains around us, think the deepest crevasses of the ocean that you could get into, think our open plains and our brutal deserts, think the snowy mountaintops and anything in between. Anything that really doesn't breathe on this planet is considered earth science. After earth science, we'll go to the opposite of it, biology. Biology is the study of all living things. Think the smallest bugs that you can think of, think animals that you can see in the zoo, think your pets, think any trees, think anything that's in the ocean, anything that ingests energy and digests it and pushes that into a new form. That is anything that's living, and that is all studied within biology. Thirdly, like I said, my personal favorite, chemistry. This is the study of all matter, what it is, how it acts, how it reacts with other elements. Think why red and blue make green, or think why dynamite explodes when you light it on fire. And lastly, physics. And this is the study of our natural universe. This is the most vast realm that you can probably go into, in my personal opinion. Think, why don't we jump? Why, when we jump, do we not fall off the planet? Or think about how we can see stars that we haven't been able to reach yet. These are the four branches of science, and everything that you might want to learn about is involved with at least one of these branches. But believe it or not, most things that you want to learn about involves 2, 3, or maybe even all four of them at a time. All four branches at once? Enda, how is it even possible? I'll give you a couple examples. First things first, biology and chemistry. Why do different foods give us certain vitamins and minerals that we need to survive? Next, chemistry and earth science. Why can rocks be different colors? What makes this one green? What makes that one brown? Next, we'll talk about earth science and physics. Why do tides change? I don't get it. It smells bad when it's low, it's cool when it's high, but why does that happen? I don't know. Last thing, biology and physics. Why can birds fly? How does that happen? Why can't they just jump off telephone wires and be gone? Doesn't make any sense to me. All of these questions can and have been answered with science. So I'm here to tell you today, next time you're sitting in a classroom or wondering why this, why that, why the third, that is the scientific method happening in real life. I know it's not easy, and I know it's hard, but once we start questioning everything like we were told when we were younger, who, what, when, where, why, how, these questions can really help us pursue more knowledge and develop it and apply it in our day-to-day lives. So I'll leave you with this. Ask a question. Leave it in the comments below. I hope you guys never stop learning, and I hope to see you guys all in the next one. Peace and love.